Not everyone can have a spacious kitchen. I always believe instead of focusing on what you don't have, take your tiny space to the max with some smart and sneaky organizing tricks. There are full of smart storage ideas to restore your things in cabinets and shelves no matter how small is your kitchen. If you have a small corner or an entire pantry space, designate a unique spot to store all your groceries. So today I am going to reorganize my kitchen cabinet in whatever space I have. I am going to use this very old wooden shelf for storing all my kitchen essentials and containers. Before that, I am going to cover it with a beautiful adhesive sheet to give it a new look. And this is how it is looking now, and I think it will definitely work for me to store all my food containers. I have a little empty space in my kitchen, so I am placing it in one of the corner, and these are my cabinets which I am using to store various containers of dry food items like dal and other items which we can store in different containers. But these cabinets are not enough for my kitchen storage, and I wanted to reorganize these two cabinets I have. So I am going to take out everything from these cabinets and will arrange in the wooden shelf just now I have shown you for easy access, and also it will look nice if all grocery items are kept together at one place. After arranging everything on this rack, I think I just love the way it's looking, and in this way it will remain organized also. Because it's an open rack, I can see everything clearly. It's very easy to make out if anything is finished and need to refill or to buy. Now it's time to clean and rearrange the cabinet. This is my first cabinet. First I just clean it with a wet cloth, and then I'm going to arrange one more organizer in which I place all my coffee mugs, and in other one I placed teacups. In this way the cups will remain dust free and organized at one place. You can see still there is lot of space left where I am going to store few more containers which are not similar at all and looks not that nice if stored in open racks. So I prefer to store such type of containers in closed cabinet. For that I am using a basket to keep them together at one place. You can save lots of space if you store everything in one basket, and it remains organized also. In other two containers, I am storing all powdered masalas and whole garam masalas in different containers and keeping it separately. Because I still have some place left, I am placing them inside the same cabinet. In this way, everything which I don't want to be visible in my kitchen's open rack, I am placing them inside the cabinet so that it will look nice and organized whenever I open the cabinets. In my other cabinet, I am going to place these big containers in which I am storing my extra kitchen towels and bottles and all small boxes which I don't use regularly. And I will store these containers in the other cabinet I have. After placing these containers, I still see some space left, so I am placing my electric tea kettle and hand beater, which is also not in regular use. Once in a week or so I use these things. So I am keeping my medicine box as well. This is how I organized my small kitchen without any pantry, which does not cost me much. If you also have a small kitchen and no place for pantry, you can also use these ideas to organize your cabinets and racks as a pantry. I hope you like my pantry organization ideas. Consider subscribing my channel and hit a like button if you like this video. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and bye.